Find the length of AD given that AB measures 32.49 hectometers and AC measures 17.1 hectometers. Pythagorean theorem to figure out BC. Then I could use the rule that says AD, the altitude times the hypotenuse, is equal to the big leg times the small leg. The first thing is to figure out BC. Using Pythagorean theorem, BC squared is equal to AB squared is equal to this side squared added to AC squared, which is 32.49 squared plus 17.1 squared, which gives us BC squared is 1,349.0101. Take the square root of that. That gives us BC is equal to 36.7153 hectometers. I'm going to use the rule that says the altitude times the hypotenuse is the big leg times the small leg, which is the altitude is our unknown. That's what we're after, AD. BC, we just figured out, is 36.7153. AB is 32.49. AC is 17.1. I'm going to multiply those two together and divide by the 36.7153. That gives me 555.579 divided by the 36.7153 is 15.1321 hectometers. Here's another level 12 type question. Find the length of AB given that AD measures 15.4793 hectometers. AC measures 18 hectometers. And we have to find AB. I am going to find DC first using the Pythagorean theorem. CD squared is equal to AC squared take away AD squared, which is 18 squared take away 15.4793 squared, which gives us 84.3913. Take the square root. That gives us CD is equal to 9.1865 hectometers, this length right here. We know the altitude squared is equal to the large orthogonal projection times the small orthogonal projection. The projection of the large leg onto the hypotenuse is the OP big. The orthogonal projection of the small leg onto the hypotenuse is OP small, is DC. The altitude AD squared is equal to BD times CD. We just used Pythagoras' theorem to find CD. The AD is the 15.4793 squared is equal to BD, that's our unknown, BD times CD, which is 9.1865. I'm going to divide the 15.4793 squared by the 9.1865. That gives us 26.0827 is B to D. Now we know this, we can use Pythagoras' theorem to get the x. Using Pythagoras' theorem, AB squared is AD squared plus BD squared. We just figured out BD. It is 15.4793 squared plus 26.0827 squared, which gives us 919.916. Take the square root of both sides. AB is equal to 30.3301 hectometers. And that's it for level 12. Have a good day.